What's up, team? I hope you're all having a good time. It's Rafael back again, and in today's video we're going to talk about yesterday's trading session, guys. We took a beautiful trade with the inner circle of the masterclass, guys. I'm telling you, this trade was amazing. Took a beautiful buy on Nasdaq, on NAS100. Made more than 270,000 in just one trading session. Was pretty quick. I think it took me around 2 hours or something like that. And we're going to check it in front of the charts anyways. But before we get started, guys, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment below. All the commenters have the chance to win the Genius Trading Masterclass course in my next giveaway on Sunday, tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to record a giveaway for you guys. I'm going to give away 3 times the Genius Trading Masterclass course. For the last 2 videos, I'm going to pick one winner from the comment section and from this video as well. So make sure to show some love in the comment section, and then you can win the Genius Trading Masterclass course with all my strategies inside that will help you to become a consistently profitable trader who is able to make millions and millions and billions and trillions of dollars with trading, guys. That's how we do it. All right, so let's get in front of the charts. Let's talk about, oh man, I need to talk about this student, guys. I mean, some of you maybe already got an email, because I have one student. He is inside the masterclass course since January this year, so around 8 months, and he was able to get funded with $250,000 already. He's 19 years old, he plays football, he's still in school, and he was grinding hard, and now he already made like nearly $10,000 with his 50K live funding account in just one day, because he used our loading it up trade management system. He catched a beautiful trade, he was able to load it up, got out, and made like nearly 20% in just one trade, which is amazing. So yeah, he's just waiting for the payment, and while that he was working on the $200,000 challenge, passed it within a couple of days, just 7 days later, and now he's funded with $250,000, man. What you can do with $250,000, man. If you make like 10%, that's 25,000, and I mean 10%, 20% is really easy if you using the X-ray strategy, the things that you learn inside the masterclass course. Guys, I'm telling you, this shit is life-changing. You better get down on your grind or lose it, guys. Let's get in front of the charts. All right, team. So NAS100 on Friday, guys. We smashed it big time. I made around 4% and I risked 2%. So overall, I was able to make like a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. But let me guide you through the thought process, why I took this trade, why I was on the buy side, why I was not trying to sell. And yeah, so this is the daily time frame, guys, and as you can see, we took out a pretty significant low in here last days, right? And then the market showed us clear sign of reversal. We had nice bullish structure last 3 days, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, and so I was willing to hunt the other side of liquidity. I mean, if we took out a pretty significant low, then most probably the other side gets hunted. That means we're going to hunt this one over here, this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. And I'm sure next week we're going to push above this one over here and get back into this imbalance, drop gaps, you know, because still orders are sitting there. If they want to sell big time, they probably get back into that zone and yeah, make all the business above these highs where some stops are sitting probably. And yeah, this is what I was looking out for, guys. I wanted to hunt these highs and yeah, get on the long side. And I was just waiting for the market to start the algorithm at around 9:30 New York time and see what they're doing. I wanted to see some sellers get pulled into the market, and of course some buyers get stopped out, and then I wanted to see nice reaction. And this is what we had, guys. So let me show you real quick. I mean, as you can see, at around 9:30 volume goes up, right? So this is when the New York session started. Officially stock market opens, and as you can see, this bullish structure that we had over the day got broken in here first time, second time, it means we had a nice 3-leg extension to the downside. And then, I mean, a lot of sellers got tricked in here early session. A lot of sellers wanted to see this thing drop. I wanted to see this thing go up because, I mean, we had, like, as I said, we had this three significant highs in a row. First of all, we had this one and this one, and even this one. So we're talking about 4 significant highs. So I wanted to see them all get taken out. So I was buying, guys. And if you look on the 2-minute chart, I mean, you can see it beautifully. We broke the structure with a lot of power, like a lot of power, guys. And that means this zone in here, from here to here, this is the zone where I would look out for a buy entry on the pullback. We had like beautiful breakout structure, multiple breakout structures in here. Here's one, here's another one. We broke 2 structures in here, which is a really good move with a lot of momentum. Market was moving super quick. Everything fits perfect for the perfect setup. So on the pullback, I got in. As soon as the market was here, I set up my pending orders who have been waiting here at around 12,440. This was my entry, 440. So I got in, market snapped back again, got in a little bit deeper, and then we slashed through the actual day's high, and then we created a new high, pushed through this significant high. And I mean, at around 12,500 was the target where I first took profits. I had my stop below this low in here, and I took first profits at around 1.6 to 1. Yeah, it was a 1.6 to 1 risk reward ratio. This is where I took 75% off the table, and then the rest was risk free. And I decided to take some more off the table at around 12,560 within this area. And here, this is where I closed my whole position, and this is where I was happy with my profits. And yeah, that's basically all I was doing, guys. And this session was from 9:30 until 10:50, so we're talking about nearly 1.5 hours. And I mean, that's a good paycheck for 1.5 hours, don't you think so? Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below if you like this breakdown, if it helps you. I hope it helps you guys to get on top of your game, to make money in this industry. And if you're looking for advice, make sure to drop me a private message in Telegram. You will find the link down below in the description. Drop me a private message. I will answer as soon as I have time. Sometimes you need to wait a little bit, because I'm not a robot, but please only use the links in the description, because there are a lot of fakers and scammers out there trying to get you into something in the description down below. Not in the description, sorry, in the comments down below. They try to get people pay them bitcoins and all that stuff. So be careful. Only use the links in the description, please, guys, to make sure to stay safe and don't waste your money on stupid shit. All right, that's it, guys. Wish you a lovely weekend, and see you in the next one. Peace! Every time my body